The Call, a heart touching love story about crying softly. A boy and a girl were the best of friends. They could talk and talk for what seems like hours, spending all their times on phone. And when they were speaking to each other, it was like there was nothing wrong in the world. They could never be unhappy or sad in those moments. One day, the girl texted the boy and he didn't reply, which was most unusual. She tried again, but to no avail. Finally, she called him, but there was no answer. An entire day passed and the boy was not available through phone or text. The girl started getting worried that something was definitely wrong. The second night, the girl couldn't sleep and stayed up all night worryingly and crying. It was then she realized just how much the boy actually meant to her. The next morning, however, she received a call. It was the boy. She was so happy, and as soon as she picked up the call, boy, hi, girl, I'm so glad to hear from you. What happened? Boy, I I was busy. The girl knew that something was off, but she couldn't ask. Silence. Boy, you know what? We should stop this. We shouldn't talk anymore. Girl, stunned silence. What? Why? Boy, sorry. Bye. Boy cuts the call. The girl couldn't believe it. It was as if she has lost a part of her. She was standing on the roof and wanted to jump. He was the one for her. Why had he done that? Why? She yelled as loudly as she could from the roof. Then she decided she was going to cry and win him back. She dialed his number. Girl, hi. Boy, what did you call me for? Girl, I need to say something. Boy, go ahead. Girl, I wanted to say just one thing. Her voice choked. He doesn't care about me, she thought. The tears were streaming down her face again. She hung up and decided to write a note and ran out of the house with it. 6 hours passed. Phone rings in boy's bedroom. It is the girl's mom. She tells him that the girl got hit by a car when she was on her way to see the boy, and that she is admitted in the hospital. The boy rushed to see her. He reached and took her name. She opened her eyes. Boys, please be okay. I am so worried. Girl, why did you do that? Boy, I have a heart condition and I don't have many days to live. I didn't want to hurt you. Girl closes her eyes, never to open again. Boy couldn't believe this has happened because of him. 10 minutes later, the boy gets a heart attack and dies from grief.